Welcome! In this video, you'll find easy to follow instructions on how to assemble the Sky Office Chair by Pago. So let's get started. Included in the box are 5 casters, the base, a gas lifter, your chair assembly, 2 arms, 4 screws with spring washers, and an Allen key. To start, turn the base upside down and lay it on a flat surface. Insert the casters into the base, pushing down firmly until they click. Flip the base over and insert the gas lifter into the base. Part 1 is complete. Place the chair assembly on a flat surface. Using the Allen key provided, attach the arms using the screws and spring washers. And finish by placing the gas lifter onto the assembled chair. Now you're ready to start using the Sky Chair by Pago. Thanks for watching.